And we're back after a long, unexpected break, you might say. So, I had a okay Memorial Day weekend. I hope all of you did too. Also had a cold over the weekend, which made it all that much more interesting. So I had an extra day off due to that, and so I'm sort of a day behind, but we're back finally. Given that this is Thursday, well, this is all the Mass Effect you're going to see until Monday at the earliest, so let's make the best of it, shall we? Last time we finished the Bring Down the Sky thing with that super long video that I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, yeah, today we're going to do Vermeer. Oh yeah, right, okay. Finding the Solarian team, and we got 2 more of these things to find. I hope I do find those. Anyway. Oh, I need to check for new dialogue. I don't believe I did that for the end of the last video. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Okay. Open door. Let's go talk to... I haven't said hello to Caden in a while. Let's see what he's going on with. What he's going on with. Yes, that's what I said. Figure that one out.
Anything you need, Commander?
Just trying to get a sense of where the crew's at. Thoughts?
We're all in for the duration. You can count on everyone to do their duty.
Sounds good.
We'll talk another time, Lieutenant.
Commander?
So let's go say hello to... I'm out of ideas for names for her. We're just gonna leave it alone. Liara, what you doing? Dr. Chopsticks.
I get the feeling you want to ask me something, Commander.
I just wanted to talk.
Fair enough. What did you want to talk about?
Nothing, apparently.
I should go.
Goodbye, Commander.
Alright. I want to talk to you about nothing. That is what good commanders do. Oh, I'm hitting that inventory limit again, too. I might should sell off another level of stuff. Sexy Rexy. Goodbye.
Rex?
Ashley?
Commander?
What you doing?
Do you have a few minutes to talk one-on-one?
I should get back to my duty, Skipper. Rifles don't maintain themselves. Not yet, anyway.
Fine.
Dismissed, Chief.
Sir.
Am I gonna go get thanked by Garrus again?
Commander, I wanted
Yes.
to thank you.
I don't have time for this.
Oh,
That's enough
Goodbye.
thank yous for you, sir.
Looking for supplies?
Yeah.
Let's see what you've got.
You bet, Commander.
Anything new here? Is there a... $237, 3186. Huh. Yeah, I might as well. Just go ahead and buy that. Because there's no reason not to at this point. At this point, there's no reason not to, yeah. Lost his. Oh. I got all excited there. Okay, hang on a second. Let's go equip that. A super sniper rifle. Where'd you go? There you are. And transfer. Okay, now you again.
Looking for supplies?
Yeah.
Let's see what you've got.
You bet, Commander.
Super accurate, maybe like 50 less. And under 10. Oh, that's that semi-automatic one, isn't it? Wow, very bad accuracy. I think bleh. Let's just go down here. Okay. Okay. Well, I can sell that. Level 7 things right here. Oh boy, lots of level 7 things. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, let's just sell the level 7 things. So much money, nothing to spend it on. So much money. Come on, keep up with me, button. Okay, now we're done with that. I talked to everybody. Yes, no I didn't. Let's say hi to Tommy, but I want her to feel left out.
Hey, Shepard. You need something?
No,
I should go.
See you later.
just wanted to see your... Well, I would say see your face, but can't really see it that way. So Vermeer, here we come. What are we going to do on Vermeer? Something about a Solarian team, I recall. Yeah. Or did I look at all the other ones first? Last time. Here. Probably did. Okay. Yeah. Backing out. Here we go. Rolling system here. Jar 4. Alright. Blip. No matter. Okay, Vermeer. Save you. Do that Chloroplan. Go. Chloroplan needed. Priscilla. Can't go to Priscilla. Anything hidden? There's no asteroid belt, so I guess not. Okay, Vermeer. Here we go. Oh. Ladies, get ready.
Commander, I'm reading a signal. Must be our Solarian infiltration team. Check out those defense towers.
Drop the Mako. We'll go in hot and take them out.
I'll get you in underneath their radar, Commander. Got a clean drop, Commander.
Alright, Joker. You the man.
Stay out of range and continue evasive maneuvers until I bring those AA towers down.
I know the drill. Meet you in the camp once those towers are offline. Joke around.
Here we go. Now, I recall last time, where's it at? Yeah, I turned this off last time. Whoopsie. Yeah. And I think I did a level. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Might as well finish this one off, huh? Okay, ultimate teammate now. Tell you what. Liara. You get. Oh, Liara. Let's do this. I don't know, though. Let's finish off your electronics here and go damping your next level. That's cool. Okay. Now we are ready to go. What can I blow up today? Okay, now what is this map? Okay. Very nice. Alright. Sally forth, and what is that? Are those hostile? Let's assume not until we start shooting at me. We just local fauna, even though it's very weird looking. but who am I to judge? Yeah. Alright. As a spectre, I cannot be racist. Oh, I landed right on it. I must be out of practice for some reason. I don't see it, do you? Is there a little corner to hide around back there? Okay. Nice, good deal. Okay. Don't shoot the birds. Oh crap. Okay. Something here. Ah, you missed. That's right. Okay. Don't run over the sun. I don't know what to call that. Circle crab? Crabby. Crab stool? Let's call it a crab stool. Okay. Because I can sit on it. It looks very much like a chair. Whoa! Wrong buttons. Here comes, here comes. Yeep. Beautifully done. Down we go. Oh. Nothing. See here. Who's doing it? Who's doing it? Good find. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff off to the right here. Let's see. Yeah. Howie. I see you. What else? Ah. Okay. Looks like the other guys might be in this structure. There's definitely a few that way. Let's go take them out. Are we using our proper weapons? Yes. Okay. I saw you, little leapfrog. I will get you. Dolly! Get out of the way. Gotcha. Keep it up. I know your pattern here. Come on. You're gonna land right there. There we go. Yeah. Let's fill up the inventory again. Alright. Oops. Didn't get ahead of that one. Come on. Nope. There we go. Yeah. Back to the Mako we go. There's some more roving pew-pews. And you're down. Okay. I see you way over there. And yep. Good job on that one. And jump. Okay. Up. And jump. That was pretty good. Oh, I have to turn that way. This way looks like a dead end. I wonder what's got here. No? No tunnel. Let's keep going. keep on rolling. That's my fault. Ah. Peekaboo behind you. That's your problem there, buddy. Okay. Oh, that didn't kill you. No, that should have killed it. I'll have to complain to the designer of the Mako for not having enough trample damage. Let's see.
We must find a way to disable their artillery.
Anybody else? Want to pop your little flashlight head out? Okay, I guess not. Alright. Oh.
We must find a way to disable their artillery.
I heard you the first time. Just give us a moment. Oh. You're on fire.
Perimeter clear.
Thank you for the news. Mark 9 Tyrian armor. Alright.
I think we're done here.
I think we're done here too.
I'm reading that the grid is down, Commander. On approach to the Solarian base now. Out.
Sounds good.
Ready to move on your word, Shepard.
We never stopped, baby. Oh yeah. Love it the way you move. Yeah. Love the way you move. And we're done. I'm missing something. Open. Okay. I missed the... Is there a gate control in this too? Am I supposed to shoot that or something? Oh, hello. You could have said, Commander, don't forget the gate controls. Nope. But you did. Here we go. That's it. Oh. Anybody else? Yeah, about that. I know you're up there. Gonna do it again? Gonna do it again? No, I have to get out. Let's do that.
Area secured.
What? That's what you do? Alrighty then. Oh, there's still one left. Oh. Nice one.
Negative contact, Shepard.
Ooh, there we go. Hard one. No. Okay, over there. Oops. I had it, but I lost it. Oh, shut up. Good to go. Ah, that's how you do it.
That was the final gate. Our path to the Solarian camp should be clear from here.
Alright, who's next, eh? Oh, not that.
Commander, Normandy's touched down at the base, but it looks like we're grounded. The Solarian captain can explain when you get here.
Oh boy. Do not shoot.
There is the
Do not shoot.
Solarian camp.
Hand off the trigger. Hand off. Trigger. Okay, now we're here.
So what are we supposed to do now?
Stay put until we can come up with a plan.
Steady.
Are you in charge here? What's the situation?
I'm Captain Kirahi, 3rd Infiltration Regiment STG. You and your crew have just landed in the middle of a hot zone. Every AA gun within 10 miles has been alerted to your presence.
Oh? Great.
What are we supposed to do in the meantime?
We stay put until the Council sends the reinforcements we requested.
We are the reinforcements.
What? You're all they sent? I told the Council to send a fleet.
We couldn't understand your transmission. They sent me to investigate.
That is a repetition of our task. I lost half my men investigating this place.
So what have you found?
Saren's base of operations. He set up a research facility here, but it's crawling with Geth and very well fortified.
Oh, really?
Is he here? Have you seen him?
No, but his Geth are everywhere and we've intercepted some comms referring to Saren. This is his facility, there's no doubt about that.
What's Saren researching?
He's using the facility to breed an army of Krogan.
How is that possible?
Apparently, Saren has discovered a cure for the genophage.
Really?
What's so important about curing this genophage?
It was the
I know that.
solution to the Krogan problem.
We introduced the genophage to the Krogan population after the uprising, to quell their numbers. Without it, the Krogan will quickly overrun the galaxy. And these Krogan follow Saren.
The Geth are bad enough, but a Krogan army? He'd be almost unstoppable.
Exactly my thoughts. We must ensure that this facility and its secrets are destroyed.
Destroyed? I don't think so. Our people are dying. This cure can save them.
If that cure leaves this planet, the Krogan will become unstoppable. We can't make the same mistake again.
Uh-oh.
We are not a mistake.
Is he going to be a problem? We already have enough angry Krogan to deal with.
He'll be fine. I'll talk to him.
I'd appreciate that, Commander. My men and I need to rethink our plan of attack. Can you give us some time?
Sure. Yeah.
Go ahead, Captain. I'll come back soon.
We won't be long, Commander. In the meantime, if you need any supplies, you can talk to Commander Rentola. He's in one of the tents nearby.
Ooh.
Looks like things are a bit of a mess.
Yeah. I wouldn't be so worried if it wasn't for Rex. He looks like he's gonna blow a gasket.
You think I should go talk to him?
It wouldn't hurt. Well, it might, actually. Just do it carefully.
I'll be careful, but be ready, just in case.
I'm always ready.
Uh-huh. Yes, hello. Nice to see you get off the ship. Tali, Commander Rentola.
Greetings, human. I am Commander Rentola. I can provide you with supplies for the upcoming mission. For anything else, I suggest you speak with Captain Kirahi.
What you got, man?
Let me see what you have.
What little there is.
Oh, don't be like that. Give me your license. And your name. And your manager. Sniper. Hammer 10. Sniper rifle. Nope. 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 Ali?
The upcoming battle frightens me, but I know Saren must be stopped.
Correct. Yes.
I'm concerned about Rex. Can we still trust him?
Where'd he go? Ashley?
It won't be an easy fight, but we're ready when you are.
Hate it.
I don't like the way Rex is behaving. He's really on edge.
Let's talk to the soldiers.
The mission will succeed. The captain will not have it any other way.
If we fail, no one will hear of this. If we succeed, same result.
Can't talk to you. Soldier?
I've been on this mission far too long. My brood won't even recognize me.
Yeah, a bit. Oh, we are.
Rex's allegiance to you may be waning.
We better succeed, human. We still feel the toll of the Krogan rebellion.
Alright, let's do an anti-screw-up save here. Let's see what happens. Rex!
This isn't right, Shepard. If there's a cure for the genophage, we can't destroy it.
Easy, big fella.
I understand you're upset, but we both know Saren's the enemy here. He's the one you should be angry with.
Really? Saren created a cure for my people. You want to destroy it. Help me out here, Shepard. The lines between friend and foe are getting a little blurry from where I stand.
This isn't a cure, it's a weapon! And if Saren is allowed to use it, you won't be around to reap the benefits. None of us will.
That's a chance we should be willing to take. This is the fate of my entire people we're talking about. I've been loyal to you so far. Hell, you did more for me than my family ever did. But if I'm going to keep following you, I need to know we're doing it for the right reasons.
Ooh. Point a gun at your commander, will you?
Rex, these Krogan are not your people. They're slaves of Saren. Tools. Is that what you want for them?
No, we were tools for the Council once.
Charismatic.
As for wiping out the Rachni, they neutered us all. I doubt Saren will be as generous. All right, Shepard. You've made your point. I don't like this, but I trust you enough to follow your lead.
Good man.
Just one thing. When we find Saren, I want his head.
There we go. And what you do with it, well, you can turn it upside down and there. Anyway, do what you want. Just don't tell us about it. Now what? Talk to. Oh, Rex is convinced. Okay, that's great. I guess talk to the captain?
Thank you for speaking with the Krogan. The assault on Saren's base will be difficult enough as it is.
I assume that means you've come up with a plan.
Of sorts. We can convert our ship's drive system into a 20-kiloton ordnance. Crude, but effective.
Nice. Drop that nuke from orbit, and Saren can kiss his Turian ass goodbye.
Unfortunately, the facility is too well fortified for that. We'll need to place the bomb at a precise location.
Fine.
Where do we take the nuke? And how do we get there?
The bomb must be taken to the far side of the facility. Your ship can drop it off, but we'll need to infiltrate the base, disable the AA guns, and pacify any ground forces first.
You want us to go in on foot? We don't have enough men.
You have me. And we have plenty ammunition. That's all we need.
It does sound a bit risky. Is there no other way?
No, but I think we can work around that. I'm going to divide my men into 3 teams and hit the front of the facility. While we've got their attention, you can sneak your shadow team in the back.
It's a good idea, but your people are gonna get slaughtered.
We're tougher than we look, Commander. But it's true. I don't expect many of us will make it out alive. And that makes what I'm going to ask even more difficult. I need one of your men to accompany me, to help coordinate the teams.
Okay.
We'll need someone who knows Alliance communication protocols.
I volunteer, Commander.
Great idea.
Not so fast, LT. Commander Shepard will need you to arm the nuke. I'll go with the Solarians.
With all due respect, Gunnery Chief, it's not your place to decide.
Why is it that whenever someone says, with all due respect, they really mean kiss my ass?
She's right. Captain, who do you need?
Who would be better suited to the mission?
Either of these 2 will do, Commander. Both seem willing to sacrifice their lives if necessary, though if we are lucky, such sacrifices won't be required.
Let's see. They're both good at fighting, but Kaidan has the extra skill of being a biotic. If he gets into... If there is trouble, I think Kaidan would probably have a better chance of surviving. So you take...
Elenko, you're with the captain. Keep it simple, understood?
Aye, aye, Commander. I will have the ordnance loaded onto the Normandy and brief your crew on its detonation sequencing. Do you have any questions before we go, Commander?
Okay. Yeah, I've got 4 apparently.
The Normandy's picking me up. How will your teams escape the blast?
We will engage the Geth as long as possible. Once the bomb is in place, we will fall back to try and escape the blast radius. If we move quickly, we should be able to escape with acceptable casualties. If not, then our memories will live on as martyrs to a greater cause.
You talk like this is a suicide mission.
I won't lie to you, Commander. There is a chance none of us will survive this assault, even your team. But we do what is necessary.
Alright. Other teams?
Shadow seems clear enough. What will the other teams be called?
Igor, Manovai, and Jaeto.
What?
They were the initial settlements on our first 3 colony worlds.
Okay.
They are at the heart of Solarian territory to this day. These names will remind my men what they are fighting for. They must have a personal stake in the fight if we are to have any chance of success.
Good idea.
Give me a quick rundown of the plan again.
You are Team Shadow.
Okay.
We will create a distraction while you infiltrate the base. Make your way to the breeding grounds at the heart of the facility. Disable the AA guns so the Normandy can land and deliver the nuke. If we get that far, we'll try to help you with guns, but don't count on it. Once you have the bomb, place it next to the geothermal taps. Then get out before it detonates.
Okay, sounds good. And then this one?
I want to know more about the bomb. How reliable is it going to be?
Its reliability depends on the person arming it, but it will do the job. The drive system is highly impervious to damage from external sources. Once it has been armed, very little can stop it. The key is getting it into place and armed before the Geth can stop us.
Sounds good. That's all the questions?
I'm ready when you are, Captain.
Let's go.
Excellent. Then if you'll excuse me, I need to prepare my men.
Well, this is it. Don't do anything foolish while I'm gone, Ash. And that goes for you too, Commander.
We'll be fine, LT.
Yeah, good luck.
Is there something you wanted to say, Caden?
It's just weird going under someone else's command. I've got so used to working with you. All of you.
Don't worry so much. We'll see you on the other side.
I know, I just wanted to say that it's been an honor serving with you, Commander.
It doesn't matter if we're not in the same unit. We're still a team. Watch each other's backs, keep your eyes open, and fight like I know you can. We'll all come out of this in one piece.
You bet, Commander.
All right, then.
You all know the mission and what is at stake. I have come to trust each of you with my life, but I have also heard murmurs of discontent. I share your concerns. We are trained for espionage. We would be legends, but the records are sealed. Glorying in battle is not our way. Think of our heroes. The silent steppe who defeated a nation with a single shot. Or the ever-alert who kept armies at bay with hidden facts. These giants do not seem to give us solace here, but they are not all that we are. Before the network, there was the fleet. Before diplomacy, there were soldiers. Our influence stopped the Rachni, but before that, we held the line. Our influence stopped the Krogan, but before that, we held the line. Our influence will stop Saren. In the battle today, we will hold the line. Good luck, Commander. I hope we will meet again.
I cannot tell you how motivated I am right now.
Comm check. Do you read me, Commander?
It's fine. Let's move.
Good. We'll start our push. We'll try to make it to the AA guns, but it might be up to you to finish the job. And Commander, if you see any way to undermine their defenses, we could definitely use the help.
Outstanding. Alright, now, what is this map here? Holy moly. Vacations Tower. And a blink tower. Viewing platform. Entrance. Alright, well, that looks like a logical place to end today's recording. Because this is a big area it looks like we're about to go through. I'll save that for next time.